Hello guys, today I will show you about the smartwatch or Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, the most popular in 2022. Okay, please see the picture. It is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic for men. Yes, it is look pretty and very nice. Okay, now I will read it for you, and I'm sorry for about the speaking English because I can speak a little and I want to practice it. So I hope you know about it. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is one of the two smartwatch Samsung report at Galaxy Unpacked in August 2021. Furthermore, regardless of it being known as the exemplaris, it in fact an immediate spin-off of the Galaxy Watch 3. The more recent smartwatch has resales plans that hold the cycle turning visual. The Galaxy Watch 4 exemplaris flaunts redesigned interior equipment including a new 5mm chipset as well as another product experience given by a mix of Google Wear OS and Samsung One UI. It looks recognizable to Galaxy Watch fans. It is all in all a takeoff from the series in others significant way. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and Galaxy Watch 3 seem to be comparable. However, you can perceive them separate by checking the side button out. The more recent model has rectangular as opposed to roundabout side button, and there are valid justification for this. To be specific, that the button to fall as BIS sensor for Moscow to fed radius readings. The actual bezel encompasses a level socket, and the wearables is accessible in two sizes, 40mm and 46mm. In any case, the smartwatch is accessible in two variety choices, dark silver and has rectangular latches. The Exynos 91 and 10 SoC is on us. Following quite a while of showing Samsung smartwatch portfolios, the cheapest is at long last getting supplanted by the Exynos W920. It's another 5mm arrangement for Samsung, and it adds to making the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic all the more remarkable and productive. The watch accompanies 1.5G of RAM and 13G of stock pillings. The new Galaxy Watch has a stretch case. It residues and water says the flawless Carrera Class DH Plus contingent upon whether it's the 42mm or 46mm model. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic cover a 247 milliamperes or a 30-61 milliampere battery. Tizen OS for smartwatch is getting supplied by Wear OS 3. Google teamed up with Samsung on this new variant of Wear OS for smartwatch, and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is among ways to convey this new experience to clients. In any case, the standard programming is covered by Samsung restrictive One UI, so it doesn't watch outward. One of the extraordinary advantages of Wear OS is improved application support on account of these different instances. The Galaxy Watch for Classics can exploit the Google Play Store for all the more outsider applications, as well as Google Maps and other Google administration. Well-being and fitness related highlights incorporate ECG, observing and bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor equipped for estimating muscle versus fat organization.